Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree and I'm all about self-improvement, self-care, and sharing bits and pieces into my love life and lifestyle. Today I'll be sharing some bomb game changer books that has improved my life. Just change it for the better, or should I say the best. So if you're ready to up-level yourself and take some action, this is for you. Don't go anywhere. So I was not always the reader, like I'm going to admit it, but self-help books, like the genre self-help, has really changed the game for me. I mean, like, inspire my soul and just feed me knowledge. Like, these are the things that they don't teach us in school, so I'm all over it. And you know what has made it easier for me is listening to books. I use Audible to listen to most of my books now because it's just so much easier. You just listen, and when it's a good narrator, then it's even better. Let's get into it. Here are 8 books that has really improved my life and had me up-level my game and myself in general. The first book is The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. So this book has truly inspired me. Like, I had to reread some parts a couple times for it to really stick. So it's kind of a spiritual guide to enlightenment. It has truly helped me to get out of my mind, like stay out of my mind, leave that behind, stay in the now, in the present moment, and know that that's all that we have, and forget about the past and the future. All in all, I have become more aware because of this book, and you know, it has brought me somewhat of an inner peace, so I definitely recommend it. The second book is Show Up for Your Life by Andy Henriquez. This one is things, honestly, we already know, but you know when you have to hear it again and again and again to really believe it? This book kind of let you realize that it's ourselves that stop us from, you know, doing the things that we want to do, going for that opportunity, deciding to step out of our comfort zone and just make a change. Truly inspiring book, okay? I had post-it notes like stuck all over my bathroom after reading this book. And actually I have some notes, like quotations I took out the book. I'm gonna read to you, hold on. So if you know me, you know I love quotes. So a few from the book, I'm not gonna give away the entire book, but a few. You are the only you there is and ever will be. Do not deny the world its one and only chance to bask in your brilliance. All right? Do not waste your precious time giving one single crap about what anybody else thinks of you. Oh, another one is love yourself. It's the holy grail to happiness. I'm going to say one more. If you want to live a life you've never lived, you have to do things you've never done. Okay? All right, so those are a few quotes from the book, so clearly I recommend it. Now, the third book is You Are a Badass by Jen Sincero. Now, this book right here brought out my badassery, okay? I realized at that point that I am really badass and like I should really believe that, because that's what brings forth our true potential and our greatness when we stop doubting ourselves and really living to our highest potential. It's really like a blunt yet hilarious book for transformation in career, relationships, and just telling you to be your true self and love you for you. So you are a badass and you got to keep telling yourself that. Go read the book. Now, the fourth book is A Year of Yes by Shonda Rhimes. So I know some of you guys know Shonda Rhimes and her amazing shows like Scandal, Grey's Anatomy, and How to Get Away with Murder. So guys, she's an introvert and it's so interesting to hear her tell her story and decide to do something totally opposite from an introvert. that is very extroverted and say yes to everything for a year. It's really interesting. You know how good she is at storytelling, so just imagine. So this is her personal story, and it really is inspiring. Like, it reminds you to kind of forget about fear and say yes to the things that you would normally not say yes to because of fear. So, I mean, I tried it, not for a year. I tried, I said yes to a few things when I read that book. And you know, it really like, it opens up another side of you that you didn't know was there. So if you want to say yes and say goodbye to fear, I suggest you read that book. Number 5, What I Know for Sure by Oprah Winfrey, my girl. I mean, don't we all wish we were new Oprah? You get a car, you get a car, you get a car, you get a car. You know, I already don't have to say much because it's Oprah. So this book entails a bunch of gems from her personal story. So she leaves us with a bunch of motivation and insights. Yeah, and every chapter is like, what I know for sure is that we are awesome. Not that, but go read it and you'll hear. All I know is that that book was an uplifting book and you should definitely check it out. All right, so the next book is What the Hell Am I Supposed to Do with My Life by Crystal Chong. So this book is by a Jamaican herself, and I mean, she was so vulnerable, so real. It was so funny. Just, I mean, look at the title. I had to get that book because I was, or sometimes still, wondering what the hell I'm supposed to do with my life. I mean, I'm sure I'm not the only one. So this book really it brings you into her personal journey to finding her purpose and, you know, self-exploration. Some of it was so relatable, and after each chapter she leaves you with like actionable steps and to-dos in order to find your purpose or closer to your purpose and explore who you really are on the inside, which will then bring out like your passions, and you'll figure out what you're inclined to and what your purpose will be. Honestly, this book, I felt like it was written for me and kind of by me. So if you're trying to figure out too what the hell you're supposed to do with your life, that's a really good one. And it's an easy listen. I listened to that one on Audible. Number 7, The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. Pretty much all I have to say for this book is follow these 4 lessons or steps to living a happier, more fulfilled life. It's a very simple steps, a very easy read, just pure wisdom shared in that book. And last but certainly not least is a funny one. So I Can't Make This that's not what it says. I Can't Make This Up by Kevin Hart. This one was really funny, obviously, because it's by Kevin Hart. And if you guys know Kevin Hart and if you like Kevin Hart, then I would say this one's a good listen because it's funny, but it also gets serious because he tells real life stories from his personal life, from, you know, basically starting from the bottom, now we're here. So he tells his success story, and it's a really good book. This book really gets into believing in yourself through his life story. So you hear his life stories and how he believed in himself so much, and now obviously he's a very successful comedian. So it kind of like inspires you to always believe in yourself, don't give up, and push through to the end, because, you know, we are all great and we can all become successful with consistency and commitment. Truly inspiring. Okay, well guys, that's all for now. I really hoped you enjoyed this video. I really hope you took something away from this and you go and check out some of these books if you've never read them before, because they've really helped me become a better me throughout my life so far. So if you did like this video, just give it a thumbs up and comment something below. Comment and let me know if you've read any of these books and how it has helped you in your life or changed your life for the better, or if you went and bought it, and let me know how you like it after. All right guys, don't forget to subscribe So you can get more of this, plus so much more. I have so much in store for you guys. Share with some friends, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.